Welcome to This Dude Bakes. Today I'm going to show you a simple cranberry lemon sandwich cookie. Alright, your first stage on these cranberry lemon cookies is going to be to put in your sugar, powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, and some softened butter. Your egg and your vanilla. Incorporate that on low speed for a minute and then turn it up to high speed until it's light and fluffy. Alright, now that it's light and fluffy, that took about 3 minutes on high speed after it was incorporated. You want to add your all-purpose flour. Your cream tartar and your salt. And then you want to add about a half teaspoon of your grated lemon peel. Incorporate that on low for a minute. Stop your mixer and scrape it down. Sides and the bottom. Then mix this on low for about 2 minutes. And once that's done mixing, add your chopped cranberries, chopped dried cranberries, and just mix it on low speed, just only to incorporate it. And that'll do it. Okay, once you've got your dried cranberries in there, you want to take some plastic wrap, cover it up, and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour. Okay, now that this cookie dough is chilled, I'm going to take my scoop and scoop them onto an ungreased cookie sheet here. Now, because of the size of these, I actually want to split these in half. And I'm going to leave them about 2 inches apart on the pan. Then I'm going to take a glass with a little bit of water on the bottom and dip it in some sugar to press these cookies down. And next up, these are going to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 13 minutes or until they're light golden brown. And this is the cranberry lemon cookie just out of the oven. As you can see, they got just a little bit of golden brown on the bottom of them. So we'll let these cool and then I'll make the filling. So for your filling for these cranberry lemon sandwich cookies, you simply want to take your butter, powdered sugar, your remaining lemon zest, and your heavy whipping cream, and just beat them on the mixer until they're smooth. Doesn't take long at all. Transfer this frosting to a smaller bowl, make it easier on myself. So when your cookies are cool and you got your frosting, your filling ready, you just take one, put some on the bottom of it, and take another one and just sandwich them together like that. And there you have your cranberry lemon sandwich cookie. Alright everybody, thanks for tuning in to This Dude Bakes. Hope to see you in another episode soon. Take care. Have a good day.